Are you tired of the constant struggle with your disposable razor? Do you want a closer, smoother shave that leaves your skin feeling rejuvenated? Look no further. In this ultimate guide, we'll teach you how to master the art of using a safety razor.
Step 1. Preparing your face.
Before you start, make sure your face is clean and free from any dirt or oils. Apply a warm towel to your face to soften the hair and open up your pores. This will ensure a closer shave and reduce the chances of irritation. Step 2. Building the perfect lather. Using a high-quality shaving brush, work the shaving soap or cream into a rich lather. Apply the lather to your face in a circular motion to lift the hair and create a protective barrier between your skin and the razor. Step 3. Mastering the art of shaving. Hold the safety razor at a 30-degree angle against your skin. Avoid applying too much pressure. Let the weight of the razor do the work for you. Shave with short, gentle strokes, always going with the grain of your hair to prevent irritation. Step 4. Post-shave care. Once you finish shaving, rinse your face with cold water to close the pores. Apply a soothing aftershave or moisturizer to hydrate and protect your skin. Congratulations! You've mastered the art of using a safety razor. Say goodbye to razor burns and hello to a luxurious shaving experience that will leave your skin feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. Remember, practice makes perfect. With time and patience, you'll become a pro at using a safety razor. So why wait? Start your journey towards a better shave today.